If you're looking for an easy way to handle employment compliance across borders, Deel is one of the best tools for the job. In this quick guide, we'll break down how Deel can help you manage your global workforce while keeping you compliant with local employment laws. Whether you're hiring contractors or full-time employees in different countries, Deel makes the process simple, streamlined, and completely transparent. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to use Deel for your international hiring needs, and I'll even share an exclusive extended free trial just for you. Deel is a platform designed specifically to address the complexity of hiring and managing remote employees across borders. One of the key features of Deel is its ability to ensure you stay compliant with local tax laws, labor regulations, and employment standards, no matter where your team is based. Deel provides ready-made contracts tailored to each country's legal requirements, so you don't have to worry about navigating a foreign legal system. As a business owner, you know how overwhelming it can be to keep track of all the different laws in different countries. Deel makes this simple by automating compliance checks and offering you local expertise when it comes to legal paperwork. This is especially useful for companies scaling globally, where one wrong move could lead to costly legal issues. With Deel, you can hire employees anywhere in the world and rest easy knowing the software is handling the compliance side of things. When you use Deel, it's not just about contracts and legal paperwork. The platform also offers features like payroll management, payment handling in multiple currencies, and automated tax reporting. Deel's payroll tools help you ensure that your employees are paid on time and in accordance with local tax rules. With the ability to handle multiple currencies, Deel is the ultimate tool for international payroll management. It even allows you to pay employees with different payment methods depending on their country of residence, making it a global solution that works for any workforce. Another huge benefit of Deel is the ability to manage benefits packages. Deel can customize benefits like health insurance, paid time off, and retirement plans, depending on the country and the local laws. This saves you time and ensures that your employees have the benefits they are entitled to under their country's law, making your business look professional and caring for your team. On top of that, Deel offers an easy-to-use interface that lets you track all your compliance requirements from a single dashboard. This means you don't need to juggle multiple systems or hire extra staff just to stay on top of your global workforce. Deel centralizes all your compliance-related tasks into one platform, so you can focus more on growing your business. And the best part? Deel allows you to use the software for free from the first link in the description below. By clicking that link, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial so you can experience how Deel helps with employment compliance across borders firsthand. If you're scaling your team globally, Deel is a game changer. With its automated legal documents, local compliance tools, and payroll management, you can hire anywhere without worrying about the legal hurdles. Don't miss out on this opportunity to simplify global hiring with Deel. Click the link in the description for your extended free trial today.